Hey everyone! In this quick guide, I'll show you exactly how to change your Hotmail account password in 2025. Whether you've forgotten your current one or just want to keep your account more secure, this step-by-step process will walk you through everything you need to do. Fast and easy first. Open any web browser on your computer or mobile device and go to the official Outlook login page. You can simply search for Outlook login or visit the Microsoft 365 website directly. Make sure you're on the official Microsoft page. This helps protect your account from phishing or fake login pages. Next, click the Sign In button and log in using your current email and password. Once you're signed in, you'll land on your Outlook homepage. This is where all your emails and settings are located. Now, look at the top right corner and click your profile icon. It might show your picture or just your initials. From the drop-down menu, choose My Microsoft Account. This will take you to your account overview page. On that page, find and select the Security tab under the Security settings. Click on Change Password. For security reasons, Microsoft will ask you to enter your current password again. If you don't remember it, click Forgot Password and follow the following on-screen steps to reset it. After verification, you can now create your new password. Make it strong. Use a mix of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and special symbols. Enter it twice to confirm, then click Save. And that's it. You've successfully changed your Hotmail password. From now on, try updating your passwords regularly and avoid reusing the same one across different accounts. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to keep your account safe and stay updated with more tech how-tos, just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.